Hey guys, there's a brand new Epcon Communities neighborhood coming up in Harrisburg. This is why Joe Top and I are out today. Joe, we're here at this amenity center. Does it look familiar to you?
Yeah, this is the Epcon Community Center. Nice and quaint. They call it, kind of a boutique style community where it's just not so grand. This new community is going to have about 80 homes there.
So the new one up there now. By the way, you can help them anywhere, and even if it's a resale and they're interested in it, like here up in Wesley Chapel,
yeah,
there's some great new opportunities like the Cresswind Wesley Chapel, 55 plus, Encore at Streamside, David Weekly, 55 plus. But for somebody that wants to be close to their kids in Cuthbertson, this is like right across the street.
Yeah, we find a resale here. It's, it depends on your time frame. If you're looking for next year, this new community up in Harrisburg is going to be perfect for you. If you need something this year, let's look at something that's already been built and grab a resale in this beautiful area.
Oh yeah, I mean, even if it's a year old, 2 years, 5 years old, it's going to feel brand new to you. I like the Courtyards layout myself, where everything plays off to the courtyard. What do you think?
I do too, Roger. Honestly, this is where I would want to be if it were me. I don't necessarily need a big, huge community with real large amenities. I want something a little smaller, a little more quaint. 80 homes is perfect that way. It might not be too crowded at the amenity center. I'm gonna get to use it. But yeah, I really like the courtyard aspect of Epcon too. That's kind of their niche, and it's got the family room that wraps around into the dining room. The central focus point is going to be on their courtyard.
Everything plays to the courtyard.
Yeah,
that way you got good visibility. People wave. There's a lady waving at us, and you're gonna love it in here. Now, Epcon is a notable builder out of Columbus, Ohio. There's also a local franchisee of their floor plans here. I've found the construction to be great, and you having a relationship with these sales agents, that's really helpful.
Yeah, I know a lot of the sales agents. I know their days off, so I know when we can get scheduled there and who to talk to, and I've kind of got a little bit of a sneak peek of when the new stuff's coming out, the new phases get released, and that sort of thing.
Well, and they kind of tend to go fast. There were one year or so ago that sold out before they even broke ground.
I think this one's going to be similar.
Up in Harrisburg?
Yeah, they're going to have a release this month in a couple weeks, and you just need to get in touch with me. We'll get it figured out and see what they're going to have available. They're going to release about 20 lots. Actually, this first week of March is when they're going to do it.
So now?
Yeah, and I think it's going to be similar to like what you were saying. It could sell out before they even have a chance to have a model constructed and on-site sales. It may be something that they just kind of sell out and then just build it out within this year.
Right. Well, the cool thing about working with us, you can call Joe directly. He can start sending you properties via email and keep you in the loop and not bug you, not try to sell you something, but he just make sure you don't go into a model home without him as your buyer agent. Make sure you don't fill out a form, et cetera, et cetera. That's my hobby horse. If you're a subscriber, you already know. But here's the cool thing too. Joe's talking about this lot release coming up. You want to call him right away, and here's why. You just don't want to be, depending on your time frame, you don't want to be left in the lurch. So don't fill out a form. Call Joe directly. We'll get his number to you here in a second. But the nice thing about the team is, let's say that the promenade plan is one of their popular ones, and let's say there's a promenade that could be built on, say, lot 3, and you don't know anything about the promenade. Well, number one, I'm going to have some floor plans at the end of this video that you can look through. But if you need me to go shoot something specific other than that, I can go. They've got a number of plans, some with upstairs, some with not. That's common, isn't it, Joe? In the 55 plus ranch, you can get it with an upstairs or not.
Yeah, it's the equivalent of our upstairs basements is what we have here.
Explain that.
Well, it's just in our area we don't really have basements very often, not unless it's on a cliff home site. So the flatter home sites, we'll put the basement upstairs and it'll be a nice bonus room. But they do have a beautiful layout of their bonus rooms. Just the whole layout in general, especially with Epcon, is something a little more unique, something that I'm not used to seeing, and I really like it. It's great.
I do too. We almost bought everywhere, but Joe, give us a good phone number for you.
Yep, so my phone number is 980-297-1612. That's 980-297-1612.
Is there anything else you want to mention about Epcon and the courtyard plan that you like real well?
Well, let's look at this community. They got the green grass, they use fescue. These communities are the nicest looking communities around. They don't have the dormant grass, so they're always popping. They're always looking good.
Wait a minute, you're getting personal. I got Bermuda.
These are the only ones.
I would rather have fescue, honestly.
It looks great.
It really does. So And then the neighborhood looks great. So, all right, phone number one more time.
It's 980-297-1612.
Got a great team, guys. We can also help you list and sell your home and make that transition if you're here in the greater Charlotte area. We're also all licensed in North and South Carolina. Some agents in the Charlotte area are not, and we are. So we'd love to help you. Give him a call, or you can call me directly at 704-345-3400. You can either say, I like Joe, I want him, or you can say, I don't like Joe. Give me somebody else. That ain't going to happen. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video.